barely see the house.
Where's the road?
Can't do this. Whoa, Julia, where are you?
I can't see you.
It's so stormy out. It's ridiculous.
It's so bad. I don't think it's been this bad in a long time.
It's like the first time, like, since I was born, I've seen it like this.
It's so, like, look, I just caught, like, 2. Do you see them? Right there. So snowy.
Like, I think I'm going to turn into an ice cube.
I probably already am an ice cube in my, like, legs down.
Oh my god. Wow, it feels like Alaska.
This is like Utah.
Oh my god, it is like...
It's like the Great Storm of Utah.
Yeah! It is currently like 4:30 Ontario time.
Ontario time. And also, the winds. Look at how windy they are. Just look at this.
Ah!
Do you see the trees moving?
Let me get this.
Do you see them?
So windy! Oh my god!
Look at how windy those trees are. They're moving so much.
Oh no!
You're gonna blow away.
How?
She's getting
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! It fell! The wind's so strong!
Oh,
Don't come out, Julia!
I can't help it. I have to save you.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
We can't make it back!
I can't do it. I'm dying.
My friend! The storm has killed you!
Look at all the snow. Do you
That's-
see it?
The snow has fallen this much since...
2 minutes ago. What? Did you see it at the beginning of the video?
It snowed so much more since then!
It's like covered now.
Like my boot's almost gone! See that? Almost gone.
Almost
Almost.
under her boots. And look at her mitts. Look at how much snow is on there.
And I didn't even fall!
Exactly. I don't get it. Where did it all come from? I don't get it. And look at the sky. Look at how dark it is.
Yeah, it's so dark.
I can't see it. I don't think the camera's going to get it because it's so dark.
Like, oh my god.
And all the trees. Do you see how windy it is? It's like they're swaying.
They're swaying so bad. I don't even...
Oh my god, earthquake!
Help! Oh no!
Come back!
I've lost her!
Oh my god! The twister's taking the camera! Come back! Oh no, where'd Lexi go? Where is she?
I lost her!
My mom's gonna kill me! Where's the weather? This is so bad. I haven't seen it this bad. And
We should go to the basement.
We should. Then maybe we won't die. Okay, well, we'll see you guys later because, well,
We're almost dead.
if we don't want to die, and I guess you guys don't want to see us die. Not today, anyways.
Maybe in our next video.
Yeah, okay.
Bye.
Bye, we love you. Look at how stormy it is still, though.
Oh my god.
Like,
no
Do
way.
you see the snow? Like,
Snow. Snow.